Hello, I'm Wheat Ridge Mayor Bud Starker, and I'm excited to share an update on how we're putting your tax dollars to work to improve our city's infrastructure. Thanks to your overwhelming support for the next chapter 1/2 cent sales tax extension voters approved in November 2023, we've secured critical funding to invest in safer streets, better sidewalks, and improved stormwater drainage. As your mayor, I want to assure you that we're making smart financial decisions. That's why we waited to issue these bonds until October 2024, allowing us to secure the best possible interest rate. This fiscally responsible approach means we can maximize every dollar and deliver the best outcomes for Wheat Ridge. Now, with funding in place, work on several major projects will begin this year, including the 38th Avenue Refresh Project, the 38th Avenue West improvements between Kipling and Youngfield, a new traffic study, sidewalk and concrete maintenance work, and ADA pedestrian ramp installations. But these are just the first steps in a multi-year plan to enhance our infrastructure. Over the next 5 or 6 years, we'll continue working on major roadway, pedestrian, multimodal improvements, and stormwater drainage across the city. Your voices played a key role in shaping these priorities. Through resident surveys, community engagement programs, and strategic planning efforts, you helped us identify the projects that matter most. And we're not stopping at our city line to acquire funding for these vital projects. We're also seeking state, federal, and grant funding to stretch our local resources even further. This is an exciting time for Wheat Ridge, and I look forward to seeing these improvements take shape in the field. Thank you for your continued support and for helping us build a safer, more connected community.